An anti-crime watch group has a message for the Marcos Jr. government amid the recent rise in school violence and the continuing crime problem in the country. MJ Mondihar reports.
The Department of Education says the recent incidents of violence in schools in Cavite and Tacloban cannot yet be considered a nationwide trend. According to the Philippine Education Department, the shooting incident in Tacloban City involving 2 minor students as gunmen remains as an isolated case. But for Citizens Crime Watch, the incident should not be treated as an isolated case.
Hindi po ito isolated cases para po sa amin. Pagkat every time na may nangyayaring ganito, isolated cases lagi. Pero bakit palagi po nangyayari? Meron bang isolated cases na laging nangyayari?
Aside from the Tacloban shooting incident, 2 separate stabbing incidents involving students were recorded in Cavite during the first week of classes. The latest happened on June 19 at Cavite National High School, where an 18-year-old student was seriously injured after being repeatedly stabbed by a fellow student following an argument that escalated into a fistfight. Earlier, on June 16, 7 grade 5 pupils of Bethel Academy of General Trias were injured after they were allegedly attacked by a grade 8 student armed with a kitchen knife. In February this year, a student was killed after a conflict inside a school in Florida Blanca, Pampanga escalated into a stabbing incident. Despite these cases, Interior Secretary John Vic Rimulya earlier said in April that the country's crime rate had dropped by 50% since the implementation of the DILG's Safer Cities initiative. According to the Interior Chief, the decline in crime has been felt not only in major cities but also in provinces and municipalities across the Philippines.
Hindi po tayo pwedeng mag-rely sa mga press releases lang Sasabihin nila okay na yung ating peace and order, pero hindi okay. Hanggat nararamdaman po natin sa ating mga sarili na tayo ay natatakot, kung may nararamdaman tayong takot sa ating mga seguridad, lalo na po sa mga kalye, hindi po okay ang peace and order.
In recent weeks, the impeachment of Vice President Sara Duterte, the issue of Senate leadership, and the cases involving several administration critics have dominated the headlines. Because of this, the group has a message for the current administration.
Tama na po yung political misunderstanding. Ang issue po dito, public confidence sa ating pong gobyerno. Ang peace and order must exist and felt by everyone. Dapat, ang matakot po ay yung mga kriminal sa paggawa ng ganitong mga karumaldumal na mga krimen. Hindi po tayo ang dapat matakot.
Reporting for Newsline World, this has been MJ Mondihar, SMNI News.